Hello everyone, it's Muhammad Adnan here and I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send bulk messages through Facebook Blaster Pro to your targeted Facebook users. Actually, this software is offering you multiple features and everything is connected with each other, especially the all-in-one scraper. Here you can extract any your targeted group members, any your targeted post. Here you're gonna add like post link and you can scrap there those people like that post or those comment on that post, or you can scrap like those people you have already chatted with on Facebook. So everything you can do with you can scrap here and then you can start sending the messages. For now we're gonna add here a group ID. This is our targeted group ID and we're gonna send this message. Now you can watch the video.